Hi there, I'm Planner Anna and I'm finally come back to do some YouTubing, and I am doing an unboxing of the Paper Pen and Plan November Sweet Treat box. This is a shop that I'm on the creative team for. I haven't opened this at all. Normally I have a sneak peek, so this is a blind unboxing. So let's see. Okay, so the theme, you might not be able to see that, is Holly Jolly. I've got a nice little note from Claire, which is lovely. Okay, they always come beautifully packed in these pink tissue paper, which you can obviously use for a whole load of other things. So let's see, what have we got? Just need to stand up and double check that's working. Okay, what have we got? First up, oh, this one's jangling. They always come in these cute little bags as well, and this is Planner Penelope, who's the shop's little mascot. Right. Oh, the bell's going everywhere. Okay, so we've got a feather, which will be lovely for some sort of mixed media, adding on to maybe a tag, even a Christmas card. And we've got, these are really cute. Just standing up to make sure that you can see that, little snowflake like paper fasteners. There's two of them. Oh no, it's not, there's three. And there's, I think, two bells, but some might have gone elsewhere. And we've got this, I think it's raffia it's called, ribbon. Again, lovely for tags and things. A lovely candy cane coloured string cord. These are good for adding onto tags, just adding a little bit of dimension to things, tying together like a mini album or something. And this is, oh, really cute. It's like a sort of a paper doily, but without the holes in, and a really cute little pattern. We've got some cutouts, a snowflake and a bell, and a brown paper tag. These are great for decorating, making all sorts of different things, bookmarks, things like that. Okay, onto the big bag. Let's see. Oh, there's another little bag inside it, which has got the sweet treat, which is nice little heart lollipop. And then all of the things from this month's kit are from AB Studio, which is a new supplier that Claire has just started with. And I know that there are some of these, loads of different things actually available in the shop from AB Studio. So I know that this, I think this stamp and this stencil is definitely available. This one is a rubber stamp, which is a twig. Oh, that is really cute. So that's good for, not just for Christmas, for any time of year. I don't know if these ones are the ones that you're meant to just mount onto wood, or if you can use, I've got those, you know, like those clear blocks, but I'm sure it will work with that. I'll need to have a proper look at that. And then the stencil we've got is, does it say what it's called? This is a bit like one of those paper doilies actually, isn't it? Stencil 8 maybe? So yeah, this is going to be great for adding borders and big patterns behind pictures, things like that. Because I love using paper doilies, but then you always feel like you've used it once and then you obviously you can't use it again. It's not not wasted as such, but used up. So this means that you can obviously use this over and over again. That's really cute. And then we've got some little journaling cards. I love this collection, love all these sort of classic Christmas designs. So we've got like a wooden door, some poinsettias, this, it's not tartan, is it checked, I guess, pattern. This one's got baubles and holly and things, and another check, and this, again, berries, things like that. All really cute. I love the ones these sizes are good for making like little planner dashboards. Obviously you can put them if you do like a snap album, something like that, or just if you need to cut up little bits to add to a bigger project. And then another little bag. What have we got in here? Oh, these are all the cute little embellishments. Now this is a really cute sequin star, which you can stick on all sorts of things. So you could put it on something fabric, you could put it on something paper. The possibilities are endless. Very cute. And we've got some little wooden shapes, which are in all different patterns. Just trying to make sure I've got this set up right on this camera. I think we're all right. So we've got two sorts of different snowflakes, a little Santa hat, candy cane, a tree, and I've got a little fairy. I think there is some different patterns as well. What I might try and do is maybe sort of embellish these with some paint or glitter. Then you can add them to, again, loads of different projects. And these are really cute little sequins with like little cutout stars. I really like sequins to use in shaker pockets. Obviously you can just add them on things. These ones also you'd be able to thread. Oh, there's the little stars from sort of the inside as well. You could also thread these onto thread to add to things. Or also I'm going to be trying to be doing a bit of sewing this Christmas, so we can also add some onto some sewing projects. And we've got another bag. There's so much in this kit. Here we go. Oh, okay, this is a sort of a December prompt. So every year we've done different things sort of in December. You know, Penelope's prompts we tried to do is like a daily thing, and I think every year we all struggle trying to fill in it every day. And I think especially this year we're not going to be going out and doing as much. It's going to be as harder to, you know, have as much to document. But these are perfect. So we've got cozy, outside, food, handmade, food and drink. So I think this is going to be brilliant. I think I'm going to maybe just have a sort of maybe not a Christmas planner, maybe I might use one of the Snap album that I got last year, that's a nice red one, and just, yeah, take photos from the festive season, maybe make a list of Christmas films I want to see, things like that, so that will be good for that. And this is a card, a blank card, an envelope to make a handmade card, which is, there's so many things in the kit that we can use that for, so that is great. And now we're on to the paper as well. There is a big chunk. So this one is a cut apart with tags. In fact, this, you can see that they obviously come usually in a 12 by 12. Just checking that we can see all this. And it's been cut apart. So these are brilliant. And I actually really enjoy cutting out these sort of things, doing a bit of fussy cutting. And there's so many cute little designs here. And then this is another one that will be able to be cut up with all the days. This would make a brilliant advent calendar, wouldn't it? Or does it have all the days? Yeah, it does. I got thrown there because there's some extra 24s, but there is all the days. Or if you were doing like a daily documenting thing, perfect for that. So it might be something, you know, try and do it next year, or just even do like a, you know, a thankfulness diary. So I'm trying to say thankfulness, gratefulness, gratitude sort of diary during December, just doing like little funny memories. So this is perfect. And then the cute design on the back, but I think when I've got these cut apart, you don't really ever use the back, do you? Because it would be wrong to waste all of these. These are also be ideal for Christmas cards, these wee ones at the bottom. And then, oh, how cute is this? So we've got the poinsettias and the holly berries, and then a nice checked one with like some splatters on it. And then this one has got some nice sort of vintage writing, a little wreath, and then another checked background. And then this one is like a barn door. Oh, and the poinsettias, both sides of this are so cute. I think maybe I'll make this into like a TN cover, although I don't know what side I would choose. So all in all, we've got some lovely Christmas bits here. There is one box of this left in the shop, so if you did want to get it, you can go on to the Etsy shop and get it. Or there are also, you can buy the full kits of these papers and the stencils and the stamps, or there's a huge amount of other things, new stock in from AB Studio. Now, if you do want to buy anything in the shop, you can use the code ANNA10 to save 10% on all your purchases. So thanks for watching.